Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to write good product descriptions on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can actually first head over in here on your products on your Shopify dashboard. And then from in here, you should be able to see the product you have. So just head over and click on one that you have. If you don't have anything yet, you can just create the product out of nowhere. And then once you have clicked on this edit page, you should be able to see in here this description right here. So in order to make a good description, you need to actually describe the actual product that you endorse. So as you can see, my product is a polo that is actually 3/4 and it is color blue. So the name also implies that this color blue, and as you can see in the product description, this also describes the actual product. As you can see, it's a blue polo made from high quality materials. And you can also emphasize comfortable and stylish option for wardrobe. So this is perfect for casual and professional settings. So you can indicate where you can actually use it, if ever. And as you can see, the fabric ensures long-lasting wear. So you can put in here a promise to your actual customers in order to entice them to buy this particular product on your store. So you can elevate your style comfort with this versatile blue polo right here. So as you can see, there are some 3 points that we have. So first point is we actually describe our actual product right here. And we actually put this on the casual and professional settings where it can be used. And the third factor is the promise that we have. So our promise that we have right here is a durable fabric ensures long-lasting wear right here. So make sure that those 3 key points are added to your description, and then your product should sell. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then please leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.